going on, my boo? It is your girl Stacey Woo. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I did this cool color fall look, and if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. So first I'm going to be jumping into my air spun. I need to pat on these eyebrows, honey, because they are a little greasy from washing my face. So I like to take powder and just get all that grease on up out of there. So we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. pomade, and this is in the color Expresso. Alright, now we're going to be jumping right into cleaning up this eyebrow, and you guys already know I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Deep Cinnamon. Y'all know this is my fave, okay? And I'm actually going to be like putting this all over the lid too. And then just take that brush and just blend it. And this is the Real Technique brush. This is my favorite brush. This is the 301. This brush, oh my god, gets it right in. I like to jump into the Plouise. This is in the Rumor 2 base. And I like to do this when I'm playing with color because I like my eyeshadows to really be on some like pop goes the weasel. Pop that, get on, boop, booty, it on, pop that booty. Whole blank canvas for the eye, baby. For my new boos, because my old boos already know what it's hitting for, we're going to be jumping into the Carnival palette, and this is the Stacey Marie palette. I love this palette. I've been jumping into this palette in my last videos. Pigment is on a beam, period. Okay, so we're going to be jumping into the E54 brush, and we're going to be tapping into Nuke. Taking Nuke and just stamping this right in my crease. And now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into my M514 brush, picking up this Showboat. Taking Showboat and just blending that out. Making it feel all good. Blended good, blended sexy. You know what I'm saying? Now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into my M518 brush. And we're going to be going in Wado. Wado, for real, why? So now we're going to be cutting the crease, and we're going to be cutting the crease with this Mima Mitchell, and this is the blank canvas. Get you some, honey. Best cut creaser in the world, baby. Okay. I hope this is the same. It looked the same. And now I'm going to jump right into my M506 brush, and I'm going to take that brush, jumping into Nuke, and that's that green. Taking that Nuke and I'm just tapping that down just like this. Tapping that. Then I'm going to jump right into my M213 brush, and I'm going to just take some of that black, tap it right on the lid like that. You know, so when you put your lashes on, you're not looking too crazy. You know what I'm saying? And just blend this out real good, you know. Alright, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into Shuffle. And we're going to be laying that right in the inner corner just like that. Now since I have that down, I'm going to take this little teeny M562 brush, and I'm going to jump into Showboat, and I'm just going to blend that out. So now we about to jump into the fun part of this eye. So I have picked me up some little rhinestones from Amazon, and we just gonna eye this joint. And that's just to mark it, just to make sure like that joint is the bomb, okay? So I'm just going to take a little bit of duo glue and I'm just going to draw So now since I have that glitter down, I'm just going to take a little bit of pigment and I'm just going to go like this. So now since I have that down, I'm going to take some glitter primer, tap it like that on my eye. Then I'm going to jump right into my glitters. I'm going to take some mascara and just coat these eyes and jump on a lash. And once I'm done jumping on this lash, then we can jump right into under eye. And we're just going to take that darker color, that nude, and we're going to just touch that right under the eye just like this. And we're bringing it all the way over. And then we're going to jump into Showboat, that lighter color, and we're just going to take that and just blend it out. And we're going to go in this color, it's called Fortune, but it's just like a gold, and we're just going to stamp that right in the inner corner. So now we're going to really quick, I almost forgot, we're going to jump into the colorful rhinestones, and we're going to just take some duo glue and do 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot. Alright, so now since we have that under eye, I cannot forget to put this orange liner. This is just a regular orange liner. I actually got this from Amazon. They came in a pack. It was like a whole bunch of them. Alright, so now since we finally have these eyes down, it took me a long time to do these eyes, but I love the way these eyes came out. I've already moisturized my face with the Estee Lauder, and I already primed my face, but I'm gonna prime a little bit more with the Fenty Beauty. This is my favorite primer. I love the way this primer feels. Oh, it's all these different glitters just keep sticking to my face. We're going to be jumping into the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this is in the color Deep Spice for my new boos. Just laying it all on my face. But yes, boo, I've definitely been chilling, staying out the way, being very focused, just doing a lot of self-care. You know what I'm saying? Like, we need it, okay? Our minds need it. And we're going to be using a beauty blender today. But yes, I've been chilling. The collection is doing really good, and it's keeping me really busy, so that's a good thing. But yes, I've been chilling, boo, just staying positive, you know. Don't have time for the negative, if you know what I mean. Competing with myself, you feel what I'm saying? Now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury concealer, and we're just going to lay this under the face. And you guys already know I like a lighter highlight, so we're going to be jumping into this Fenty Beauty and just lighten it up just a little bit. And taking that beauty blender and blending it out. Giving like this nice, easy feel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you blend them edges out first. Yes, this beauty blender be blending, just blend this out really good. Ooh, that look good. That look good. I look fly. I look good. Yes. Alright, so now we're going to jump into bacon, okay? And we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty setting powder. leave that on there just to bake just a little while, and we're going to be jumping into contour. So we're going to be jumping into the Bobbi brown. This is in the color Expresso. I love this contour stick, baby. Okay, stick is so good. And I'm just going to just take a flat brush and just blend that in just like that. Just blend it in. Just blend it in, my girl. And just blend it in. So boo, my camera had died, so when it died, I just ended up just throwing on my clothes on what I was putting on. So we're just going to still finish up contouring that face a little bit, and we're going to jump into the dark deep, and we're just going to take that dark deep and we're just going to set that contour. You know what I'm saying? All right, and now since we have that down, we're going to jump into contouring this nose. So we're going to be taking the E18 brush, and we're going to just contour this nose. And we're just going to take that and just blend that out really good. Blend it right into that eye. Put that dark deep right over that contour just to blend that out really good. And now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into highlight, honey. And we're going to be taking, you already know, we're going to be taking the Gold Luxe and just taking Gold Luxe, and I don't want like a major highlight. I just want to just like right here. Like bow. I highlighted the hell out of that lip. Okay. All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Night Mauve. And then I'm going to jump into a Rose in Harlem. Now since I have that down, I just want to take a little bit of this L while I'm crying. All right, now I'm going to jump into some e.l.f. Soothing Olay Mist and spray this face. So my boo, this is the final look. I really love this look. I love the way this look came out. I love the way I pushed myself. I love my growth. I love everything about this makeup. If you love this makeup too, make sure you do not forget to smash that like button and also leave me a cool comment down below. Also my boo, if you made it this far to the video, you might as well subscribe. I mean, you know you feeling the kid, just subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell button either, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you boo in my next video. Mwah.